Hello guys, yeah, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to tame parakeets. As you see, hey, look at him, look, bite him, bite. Okay, so as you see, he's a fully tamed parakeet, but now it's nighttime. Eventually, now nobody really wants to, no parakeet really wants to just do a video, but I thought I was so bored and I thought, why not do a parakeet video? So, as you see now, he bites because he's angry at me. Why did I wake him up? So I can't show you because now it's nighttime and my mom, they're over there, they're gonna scream at me. Why am I messing everything up? But I'll give you some tips. First, the good way to tame them is to give them millets. But the faster, if you want it to be faster and like easier, just get your bird food, like bird's favorite food, and just place it in their hand, and they'll just try to right, okay. They'll try to eat them, and they'll just get your trust. So this is my favorite bird. His name is Greeny, and he's really quiet and a good bird. He's not sleepy. As you see, he is really easy to tame. Everybody, like, today there was a party, like everybody loved him. One of his eyes are open and one of his eyes aren't. Look, that's so wickedly awesome. Yeah, so yeah, and if I don't know, he didn't poop yet, but he's gonna ruin everything for you. But he's a good thing to play with. Even though it's alive, and you need to be really gentle. Now he's gonna bite me. There's like 90% that they're gonna bite me, and 10% he's gonna love me. Right? Okay. So let me just place him on my shoulder. Come on, go to my shoulder. Ow. Okay, go to my shoulder. Good boy. So as you see, there's some person that he's not gonna be really angry at me. There's some person that he is. Come to my feet. Sorry. Okay. Sometimes he just gets angry. Why am I messing around? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, come on. Come to my hands. Come to my hands. Yeah, sometimes he's that. But if you really, ouch. If you really want to, what to say, really want to, and just grab them. I don't want to use a trust, just in case. I'm just keeping him. Oh, he's gonna ruin everything for me. Hey, come to this finger. Come to this finger, birdie. Little birdie, come out wherever you are. So this is my second video. I don't know what happened to the last video, first video I made. No, I don't know, maybe it went to Mars. But, as you see, he's really looking at you. He's like, hey, what's up, dude? I don't know. What's up? He's dancing. I'm dancing. I'm dancing. He's dancing. Okay, let me just give you a song. Okay. What's YouTube? Okay, Google. So, it's like, I did the Minecraft song, and like, On Minecraft it works. When I play Minecraft it always works. Yeah, let me just show you. I'm just trying to find where it is. Okay. Okay, as you see, this is really awesome bird. If you just like you have to, even though you have to like tame them, they're still fun to play with. Okay, when I wake up, I know what I'm gonna find. I'm gonna find out. Okay, no, that's not the real song, really. Okay, now it's the real song. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. That was really unexpected.
When I wake up, well I know I'm gonna go find all the wood you stole from me. When I wonder, well I know I could have gone and got some more wood from that tree. And if I'm walking, yeah I know there's other wood, but I want my wood, it's my wood. And if I'm falling, well I know I'm gonna be the one who's smiling next to that gentleman over there.
Okay, maybe he's not really dancing, but yeah, he's just like, it's so funny to watch. You know, parakeets, they're just, wow, blowing your mind up. I don't know what to say, but I'm a parakeet. Unfortunately, I'm not a human. If I was, I would have been the mayor. Okay, and now I'm sleepy. Huh? Okay, so this is for my dad is calling.